Welcome. In this video, we will be diving into the world of Bitcoin in 2023 and exploring the latest developments, trends, and challenges facing this popular cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has been making headlines for years. And as we enter a new year, it's important to understand the current state of the market and where Bitcoin is headed. We'll be taking a close look at recent events such as the changing regulations, market volatility, and the impact of institutional investors on Bitcoin. We'll also be discussing the potential benefits and risks of investing in Bitcoin, and providing insights and analysis to help you make informed decisions about your investments, whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency investor or new to the world of Bitcoin. This video will provide valuable insights and knowledge to help you navigate the exciting, yet unpredictable world of Bitcoin in 2023. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Cryptocurrency was, as we all know, a massive loser in 2022. Celsius filed for bankruptcy, Terra Luna became worthless, and the founder of FTX was detained on suspicion of fraud. The price of Bitcoin was approximately $46,000 at this time last year. It is currently only worth around a third of that estimate. The spirits of ardent Bitcoin investors haven't been diminished by this. Many people are looking for a return in 2023 to make up lost ground. Some foresee even worse crashes than what occurred in 2022. Some even assert that Bitcoin will never again exist. Since Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies don't operate according to traditional market principles, expectations range from sky-high highs to tumbling lows. Let's examine the well-known requests for Bitcoin price predictions for 2023. The most upbeat forecast for Bitcoin comes from investor and ardent advocate of cryptocurrencies Tim Draper, who recently increased his $250,000 forecast for the price of Bitcoin to reach in the middle of 2023. Draper, who has always been an advocate for cryptocurrency, thinks that the retail sector, where women account for 80% of spending, is yet untapped. Depending on what happens with inflation, Altana Digital Currency Fund's founder, Alastair Milne, forecasts that the price of Bitcoin will rise to $45,000. He claimed in a tweet that he is essentially again and predicted that Bitcoin will once more demonstrate its tenacity. Both men cite the upcoming halving in 2024 as a key factor in 2023 seconds performance. This is the point at which the reward for mining Bitcoins will have, as it is programmed to do every 4 years. The halving of Bitcoin prevents inflation and maintains a constant flow of the currency. By the end of the following year, prices, according to Milne, could reach enormous highs of $300,000. He added that now was not the time to be bearish. On Twitter, Draper stated that his forecast definitely before the halving. For the next couple of years, these two predictions will undoubtedly be watched closely by Bitcoin enthusiasts. Carol Alexander, a professor of finance at Sussex University, has predicted that the price of Bitcoin will rise by $30,000 in the first half of 2023 before reaching $50,000 by the end of the year. Many traders believe Alexander when she says that Bitcoin will bottom out at $10,000 because her prognosis from last year wasn't too far off. Her rationale: crypto whales are a mysterious collection of wallets that, according to BitInfo charts, hold 15% of the total supply of Bitcoin. Should the market require it, these whales may intervene and save the day. Bitcoin's price of $15,400, according to CIO of cryptocurrency hedge fund Arcane Assets, Eric Wall, was the bottom, and he expects it to surge to $30K. Those who witnessed their cryptocurrency portfolios crash in 2022 will be relieved by these less absurd numbers indicating steady growth. The bad: not everybody is optimistic about Bitcoin. Early in December, Mobius Capital Partners billionaire founder Mark Mobius predicted that Bitcoin will continue to decline until it reached a bottom at $10,000 in 2023. His justification is that the tightening monetary policies and rising interest rates of the U.S. Federal Reserve would further sabotage the Bitcoin market. As Bitcoin's price exceeded $28,000 in May, Mobius predicted that it would fall to $20,000 in 2022. As a result, many people see the seasoned investor's most recent warning as proof that the crypto winter is still ongoing. Vanek Investments head of research for digital assets Matthew Sigel concurs with Mobius' forecast, predicting that Bitcoin would reach between $10,000 and $12,000 in Q1. Higher energy costs and Ripple's SEC lawsuit, according to him, are the main causes of the ongoing decline. We haven't seen the last of the inflation peak, according to famed investor Dr. Michael Burry. Albeit this isn't a direct prediction of the future of cryptocurrency, we are likely to see lower, possibly negative CPI and, by any definition, a recession in the US in the second half of 2023. Fed will reduce, but government will increase. Then there will be another increase in inflation, Burry posted on Twitter. How does this affect cryptocurrency? Additional institutions and investors could sell up, which would put additional pressure on the market. The crypto market was devastated by inflation in 2022, and it may do so again this year. How accurate this prognosis turns out will depend on time. The ugly. According to Consumer Bank Standard Chartered, Bitcoin prices could drop as low as $5,000. Eric Robertson, the bank's global head of research, made the decision in December. More and more cryptocurrency enterprises and exchanges are experiencing a lack of liquidity, which is causing more bankruptcies and a decline in investor confidence in digital assets, the author stated. With massive tech sell-offs and falling stock prices, Robertson ominously declared that Bitcoin's harm has been done. The market price would have decreased from $17,000 to $5,000 by almost 70%. A potential opportunity for those wishing to invest in Bitcoin while the prices remain low, but not fantastic for those with skin in the game. There is no immediate urgency to flee if you are panicking. It's important to remember that Standard Chartered included this in their surprise forecasts for the markets in 2023. The call considerably outside of either our own baseline beliefs or the market consensus. Much harsher predictions came from the European Central Bank. Notwithstanding the cryptocurrency's Q4 surge, it was predicted in November that the most recent change in Bitcoin prices and the volatility of 2022 would spell the end for the asset class. It is an artificially generated last gasp before the road to irrelevance, Ulrich Beinsale and Jürgen Schaff wrote. And this was already foreseeable before FTX went bust and dropped the Bitcoin price to well below $16,000. This judgment may seem overly binary to some people. The article's writers point to Bitcoin's poor uptake among regular people and unsuitability as a reliable investment. Many would disagree, claiming that digital assets are still in their infancy and that the best is yet to come. Whatever occurs, 2023 will undoubtedly be a wild trip for people in the cryptocurrency industry. How you should approach Bitcoin investing in 2023. So what should cryptocurrency investors do given these broad projections? Diversification is a possibility, but it doesn't offer the same advantages as it would in conventional investing markets. In general, as Bitcoin increases, everything increases. Everything decreases when the price of Bitcoin does. Although diversification merely modifies the degree to which your portfolio can fluctuate. When Bitcoin is the least volatile asset you own, you can be sure that the journey will be rocky no matter what. That's a wrap. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the latest developments in the world of Bitcoin. Whether you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast or someone looking to invest in Bitcoin for the first time, it's important to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. We've covered a range of topics in this video, from the changing regulations to the potential risks and rewards of investing in Bitcoin. Remember, the key to success in the world of Bitcoin is to stay informed, stay vigilant, and invest wisely. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and analysis that will help you make informed decisions about your investments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.